In this video, we're going to learn about functions and relations. So first, we're going to define some things. So a relation is a set of ordered pairs or numbers, and a relation can be represented in multiple ways, such as ordered pairs, which are x-y pairs. So x always comes first, then y. So those look like in parentheses. We can also see a table. X always comes first, y always comes second. We can plot them on a graph using the x and y coordinates, or we can do a mapping, and these arrows tell us which numbers go together. All right, so a function is a relation where x does not repeat, so all the x's are different numbers. So for this first example, we look at these ordered pairs. So our x values are 3, 2, 0, 1, and 4. Those x values do not repeat, so yes, it's a function because x doesn't repeat. Second example. So here we have 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. We see that those 1's repeat and those 2's repeat, so it is not a function because x is repeating. Example 3, in a mapping, 0 is going to 1, 3 is going to 2, 6 is going to 3, but 6 is also going to 4. That means that 6 is really repeating. It has two different numbers it's going to, so it's not a function because x is repeating. All right, let's look at the graph. So here, let's write our coordinate pair. So this point is -2, -2. This point is -1, -1. This point is 0, 0. This point is 1, 2. And this point is 3, 2. So now, do any of our x values repeat? -2, -1, 0, 1, and 3. No. So yes, it's a function because x doesn't repeat. All right, so the other thing we need to talk about with functions and relations is how to identify patterns. So if they give you a table and they ask you basically what is happening to x to get to y, or what's the pattern, we want to write it as an equation. So we're going to go ahead in our calculators and we're going to go into stat edit. So stat is right here, and then we want to go into edit and make sure everything is cleared out. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and input the table into the calculator. Okay, so now all of my numbers are in the calculator. That was step 2. So step 3 says stat calc 4. So stat, go to the right to calc, and then number 4. We're just going to be dealing with lines for right now. And then we need to go all the way down to calculate. And now we need to write down the equation. So that says y equals 0.33x plus 1, which as a fraction, because that's what your answer choices will be in, it's y equals 1/3 x plus 1.